Hello and welcome to DonorDock 101. I'm Bridget Bitsagai, your customer success manager here at DonorDock, and I'm here to give you a guided tour of the platform from one-day setup to the features that help you raise more. This training walks you through the whole platform from day one setup to the features that help your team raise more and stress less. We're going to go through 8 modules in 60 minutes, and hopefully after that, you'll have a great vision of what DonorDock can do and how it can help you. For today's training, we're going to cover 8 modules from getting started to managing your contacts, your communications and outreach, transactions and gift tracking, reporting, if you can get the information in, how do you get the information out, automations, including our donor stewardship journeys, the action board to help you keep everything in one place and help you focus on what matters most, and our ask boards and project boards to help your whole team have pipelines and workflows that work for you.